This is a quick 5-minute job. The clear coat is long since gone, and once a year we give them a bit of a tidy up. I'll show you what we can do. So I've got some Mazerna heavy cut, a pretty hard pad, and a small DA polisher. Right, time to do the other side. So I've got a little dribble of the Infinity Wax Synergy light, which was like a 12-month coating, so on the headlights it probably lasts the rest of the winter into the spring. So this is the first light that I did. Took 2 or 3 minutes to do. And this was the driver's side, which was much worse. As you can see, maybe in total it's taken me about 10 minutes. Polished, ceramic coated and ready to go.